In today's video, we are going to cover how to close your account on eToro. Before you start the closure process, prepare the account so there's nothing left active. Close all open positions, cancel any pending orders, and withdraw the remaining funds from your balance. This matters because the account closure option is intended for accounts that are no longer in use, and leaving trades or funds in place can delay the request. If you still see active items in the portfolio or orders area, clear those first and wait until the account reflects those changes. Once the account is ready, go to the left sidebar and click Settings. This opens the area where your account preferences and profile options are managed. From there, open the Account section. You may need to look through the available tabs or menu items inside Settings, but the goal is to reach the page where account level actions are listed. After you are in the Account section, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click Close Account. If you do not see it right away, keep scrolling because this option is placed near the end of the account page. Selecting it starts the account closure flow and opens the next screen. On the next page, choose the category that best explains why you want to leave eToro. The platform uses this step to group account closure requests. After selecting the category, choose a more specific reason from the available options, then click Continue to move forward. Make sure the reason you pick matches your intention, since the next screen will respond based on that selection. At this stage, eToro may show a suggested solution related to the reason you selected and ask whether that changed your mind. If you still want to proceed, select No, please close my account. This is the confirmation that keeps the closure request moving instead of returning you to the platform. Read the prompt carefully so you choose the response that confirms closure. After that, continue through the remaining confirmation screens to complete the request. Depending on what appears on your account, you may see one or more final prompts before the process is accepted. Review each page, confirm that you want to close the account, and submit the request when you reach the final confirmation. Once that is done, the closure request will be recorded by eToro. Thanks for watching. Your eToro account closure request is now submitted.